So me and Jacob are here today at Urbandale Middle School, and we're doing some presentations for the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And what we're doing today is we're trying to make sure that they get the message that it's important to be involved and get out there and do some activities and try to find that thing that they love doing and that they can enjoy doing. And so we're really hoping that they really get that message that they matter, no matter what their talent is, no matter what they enjoy doing, and that they need to support each other doing that, because that's really what it's all about.
So our goal is especially to connect with those 8th graders going into high school, and those 6th and 7th graders who are still making their journey through middle school, to be able to make those connections with high schoolers and see what life is like, and hoping to tap into what their talents are and to know that not everything is tangible, but what they have that's really special is on the inside, and being able to recognize that and know that no matter what, they matter is our real mission.
Like we were saying earlier, we're here with You Matter, which is a new group that we started this year at the high school. And so you're going to hopefully see more of us this year. We're going to be around, hopefully doing more little things like this and here and there doing stuff, maybe giving things to you guys throughout the year. And hopefully bringing some messages about supporting each other and about trying some new things. And so right now, when you're middle school and heading off to high school soon, it's super important to start thinking about, what kind of things you like to do. And we might not all be good at basketball, that's just one of those things, that's fine. We might not all be good at football. We might not be able to draw Fred the zombie like Paul can, that was very impressive. But what's important is that you're out there just trying your best, trying to find the things that you enjoy doing and supporting other people that are trying to find those things too. And so that's really the message that we're hoping to bring here today. And we really appreciate you guys having us. So thank you guys so much for having us. And hopefully you guys